Focus on incoming material inspection and component screening. PCBA business owners, have you encountered poor contact defects in bulk products when assembly factories process connectors and IC sockets without prior inspection? Most small factories skip incoming checks, turning material flaws into finished product faults, and causing massive cost losses. At Shenzhen Newei Industrial, IQC operates as an independent department. We conduct sampling tests with professional bridges, microscopes, and X-ray equipment, and recheck resistance parameters strictly. Damp components will be baked first. Parts with slightly oxidized pins or unqualified solderability will be rejected directly. We block 99% of material risks at the source to avoid futile follow-up assembly work. All procedures comply with ISO 9001 standards, and skipping incoming inspection is deemed a serious violation. Want to learn our material quality control measures? Comment Inspect to receive our IQC guidelines and material rejection criteria.